Good afternoon, student. This is the day number 22, chapter number 2nd, MS Access queries, forms and report. Yesterday I was explained what is the calculated field. Today, through the practical, you will learn how to use calculated field and expression in a query. So let's start. For calculated field, first you know what is the calculated field. Calculated field is a field that gets information from the calculation performed on other field. So for calculated field, we have a two tables. Without the table, we can't find out the specific queries. So first you have to create two tables. For example, here I have created two tables, that is the order table and second is the product 2 table, order table and product 2 table. So first you go to the create tab and click on query wizard. Choose the simple query wizard. In a table query, first you choose product table 2 and all the available fields shifted into selected field one by one. After that, again you choose order table and all the available field you have to shift it into selected field one by one. After that, click on next button. When you click on the next button, the simple query wizard will ask the question, what title do you want for your query? So for example, we write query 1 and the second is that's all the information the wizard need to create your query. Do you want to open the query or modify the query design? Yes, modify the query design. Click on modify the query design and click on finish button. When we click on the finish button, we come to the query design view. This is the query design window and the query design grid will appear on your window. So the first thing which is you have to locate that product ID in both the table. The one field is same, that is the product ID, and through this product ID we create a relationship between two tables. Now in a product table 2, first you write here product ID, second is the company name, third is the product name, next is the order table. So write the product ID or quantity and price, and in the empty area you will create one field, that is total price with colon, total price with colon, open the bracket, write quantity close the bracket, use the multiply sign, open the bracket, price and close the bracket, and after that click on run command. When we click on the run command, you will see that product, the quantity and price 80 into 2 is equal to 160. The total price will show in this table, that is 160. So first you have to select all the field and increase the size. increase the size. So product ID, total price, company name, product ID 104, company name Hindustan Lever, product is Lux, and that is the order table, that is the product ID again. So we will write here order table, product ID, and after that quantity, it will show the quantity, price, and now through the calculated field we can find out the total price. So the total price is 160, same as quantity is 2, price is 6, so 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Now second is how to use expression. Expression is a combination of a function, field name, number, text, and the operator. So if you find out the expression, through the expression if you find out the minimum or maximum value, we can use the expression. For example, again click on the create button. Suppose we click on order table, or click on the query design. After that click on the order table or product table 2 and add this, and one by one add into field product name. So and you can add order table also. The same, again click on create button. You suppose we are take a one new table, this is the database student table. We have one student table. Suppose we have a student table, then click on the create button and click on query design. In a query design window, you write the student table 4 and add this, and again one by one shifted all the field, like student name, after that student class, student age, and student mail address. And if you find out through the expression, click on the builder, click on the expression builder on design view and choose the table student table 4. Click on student table, click on the student age and Now student table, student age, and is, suppose we write a less than 14. We find out the age of those students whose age is less than 14 and click on the OK button, and after that run command. So you can see here that less than 14, that means 13, 12, 11 and 10. The student age of 13, 12, 11 and 10 will be displayed in this student age. So that is the use of expressions. So in the next video I will explain what is the forms, and today your homework is learn what is the query. Till then, goodbye.